students, welcome to part 4 of chemical kinetics. Today we will see what we mean by order of a reaction. We know that in a rate law, we write rate equals to rate constant and then we multiply the rate constant with the reactant concentration, which is raised to some powers. So, if you consider a general reaction where you are taking A moles of A reacting with B moles of B to produce C moles of C and D moles of D as the product, then the rate law can be written as what? Rate is equal to K A raised to power, which is called X, and B raised to some another power, we call it as Y. The overall order of the reaction means when we consider both the reactants, the overall order of the reaction is given by sum of the powers, that is X plus Y. If you are asked what is the order of the reaction with respect to A, then answer will be X. Order of the reaction with respect to B, then answer will be Y. But if we want order of the reaction, which is also called overall order of the reaction, then it is the sum of both the powers X and Y. Now, how I can define the order of the reaction? It is the sum of the powers of the concentration terms in the rate law expression. We know this is the rate law expression and order क्या था? X plus Y. So how we define the order of the reaction? It is defined as sum of the powers of concentration terms in the rate law expression. Now we take examples for understanding the order of particular reactions. The first example I am having is of hydrogen peroxide decomposing to water and oxygen. To balance the reaction, we write here 2 and here also 2, so that the number of hydrogen and oxygens are equal on both the sides. It is found that the rate law for this particular reaction is rate is equal to KH2O2, right? And because there is nothing written, as I already said in the previous video, if nothing is written means the power is 1, so the reaction is having order is equal to 1. It is called first order reaction. You may be thinking कि ये किधर से आया? Remember, rate law is always determined experimentally. Now, one more example we have where hydrogen gas combines with iodine gas to form HI, which is also a gas, and to balance it we write here 2. The experimentally determined rate law for this particular reaction is written in this way. Rate is given by K, concentration of H2, concentration of I2. तो ये experimentally determined जो rate law होता है, it is giving us what information about this reaction. It is first order with respect to H2. It is first order with respect to I2, and hence the overall order of the above reaction is what? 1 plus 1. क्योंकि ये x है और ये y है. 1 plus 1, 2. The overall order of the reaction is 2. Now we will see what are the key points to be remembered about order of reaction. First point है, as I already said, it is experimentally determined quantity. So you can remember, ये कोई थियरी से या कैलकुलेशन करके नहीं निकाला जाता. It is experimentally determined. Second point to be remembered is it can be an integer like 1, 2, 3, or it can be a fraction also. It can be fractional also. ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा आपका ऑर्डर ऑफ द रिएक्शन जो है वो 1 2 3 ऐसा इंटीजर ही हो. It may be fractional also. Let us try to understand this with respect to one example. Suppose you are having acetaldehyde. It is CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde, and there is decomposition of acetaldehyde to what? Methane and carbon monoxide gas. All three are in the gaseous state. The rate of the reaction is experimentally found to be proportional to the concentration of acetaldehyde raised to the power 3/2. मतलब रेट लॉ क्या रहेगा इसका? रेट इज इक्वल टू के कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ एसिटल्डिहाइड जो कि रिएक्टेंट है रेज टू पावर 3/2. Okay, so you can see the power is in a fraction. So this shows that order of this reaction is 3/2. Now ये सेकेंड पॉइंट था कि अपना जो ऑर्डर है वो फ्रैक्शनल भी हो सकता है. जैसा कि हमने देखा किसमें है फ्रैक्शनल? एसिटल्डिहाइड के डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन में द ऑर्डर इज 3/2. Now, what is the third point about the order of the reaction? Sometimes order of the reaction can be 0 also. Order of the reaction can be 0 also. Okay. Now, for this, I am having one more example in the form of a reaction only. If you have NO2, nitrogen dioxide, combining with carbon monoxide, it gives you NO plus CO2. It is giving you NO2 plus CO is giving you NO plus CO2. Now, the rate law for this particular reaction is what? Rate is equal to K NO2 raised to 2 दिया हुआ है और CO raised to 0 दिया है. Meaning of this is rate is having order 2 with respect to NO2, but it is 0 order with respect to CO. Okay, so anything raised to 0 is what? 1. So we are having simply NO2 raised to 2 क्योंकि ये factor तो 1 हो जाएगा, right? So we will say that the reaction is a second order with respect to NO2 and it is a 0 order with respect to carbon monoxide. What will be overall order of this reaction? Overall order of the reaction will be 2 plus 0, 2. Now, students, based upon order of the reaction, sums कैसे आते हैं? Find order with respect to each reactant and also find out overall order of the reaction. Reaction will be given and the rate law for the reaction will also be provided. आपको क्या निकालना है? Order with respect to this reactant and overall order of the reaction. This is very simple and easy and you can easily fetch 2 to 3 marks from this type of the question. तो find order with respect to each reactant है तो हम क्या निकालेंगे? Order with respect to NO. मतलब अपना पहला जो रिएक्टेंट है, देखो रेट लॉ में देखना है आपको, इट इज रेज टू व्हाट? 2. सो ऑर्डर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू NO इज 2. सेकेंड रिएक्टेंट की बात करेंगे तो ऑर्डर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हाइड्रोजन इज, रेट लॉ में देखना है, हाइड्रोजन रेज टू 1 है, सो इट इज सिंपली 1. एंड हाउ टू राइट डाउन ओवरऑल ऑर्डर? ओवरऑल order of reaction is 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so it is very easy. One more example we will take. Okay, now the reaction is given between chloroform and chlorine to give you carbon tetrachloride and HCl and the rate law is also provided. तो आंसर कैसे आएगा हमारा? Order with respect to first reactant, that is chloroform, is what? 1 because it is raised to 1. Then order with respect to second reactant कौन है? Chlorine is half. Okay, एंड फाइनली क्या निकालना रहता है, ओवरऑल ऑर्डर इट इज 1 + ½ दैट इज 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3/2. So the overall order of the reaction is found to be 3/2. It is fractional. And we have seen order can be an integer or it can be fractional. Order with respect to each reactant we have calculated. जो भी each reactant का आंसर आता है उनको प्लस कर देना है to find out the overall order of the reaction. Students, next time we will see what we mean by molecularity of the reaction. Till then, bye bye.